how to log out of YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out from YouTube or how you can log out your YouTube account. Now, you can simply open up YouTube and head into your account profile on your app. Now here you will see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, so you can simply tap on it, and now under your profile you can see switch account option and Google account option, right? You're gonna simply tap on switch account option, and under switch account, under the list of accounts, you'll be able to see manage accounts. Now if you just wish to log out from this account, you can simply tap on switch account, or you can add in another account and you can switch to other account. However, if you wish to log out, simply tap on manage accounts option, and here you'll be able to see list of accounts that your device has. Simply tap on particular Google account that your YouTube account is linked to, and then you want to simply tap on remove account option, and that Google account will be removed from your device and you'll get logged out from YouTube as well. So this way you can log out from YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.